Alright, I'm gonna stand to the side in this video so you guys can see. Alright, first things up. Alright, now that you have your egg wash, you got your breadcrumbs, here are the lamb chops. Pretty long lamb chop. Okay? Nice ones. Alright, all I'm really wanting to do is touch the fronts and the sides. If you had I really need a longer bowl. There we go. Alright. And into the breadcrumbs, they go. One side, two side, one side, two side. That's what I'm looking at right there. Can y'all see that? Yes, sir. So, let me do another one. Alright. One side, two side. Let it drain off. Okay, and I go twice on each side. There we go. So let me do the rest of these and then we'll keep it moving. Alright, this is what we're looking at right here. Crusted Parmesan Panko breadcrumb crusted. So let's go ahead and get this pan hot. We're gonna use some olive oil, regular olive oil. This stuff right here that's good for sauteing, not extra virgin, but regular olive oil, and some butter. Yeah, boy. All right, we got them in here. We're gonna let these go for probably about 1 minute aside. Matter of fact, I'm gonna set my timer for 1 minute 30. That beautiful crust. Yes, sir, ski. For that beautiful crust. Alright guys, let me see if y'all can see that. Beautiful. Beautiful crust. About 1.5 minutes on each side on like a mid-low heat. Like a medium heat. You don't make it too hot though, because you don't want to brown it up too much. And these I still want to be like medium. I'm not trying to cook them to well done. I still want them nice and medium in the inside. And that's it, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and finish cooking these off, and I'll show y'all what the final plating looks like. Stay tuned. Alright guys, also make sure that you always sear off the back side of it also. Okay? Yes sir. Alright y'all, and just like that we are ready to go. Look at that. Beautiful, man. So, we just want to plate them up. I'm just going to fan them out right here in the front. And I'll lay one in the back. And all you want to do, take my little party dust. I dust them up real quick. Take a little bit of dried parsley. And there you have it, y'all. Parmesan Panko Crusted lamb chops. Right here on the rolling grill. Yeah, boy.